Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Let us see how we solve this expression that if x plus 1 divided by over x all to the power of 2 equals 9, then what will now be the value of x minus 1 over x all to the power of 2. Now first of all, let us recall this algebraic relationship. A plus b all squared will give us a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And for the negative, we have a minus b all raised to the power 2 will give us a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Alright, with this relationship we can solve this problem. Now from this, which is equivalent to this, so we can replace a for s and b for 1 over x. So here we have that x plus 1 over x all raised to the power 2 will now give us, now following this rule, here we have that x squared plus 1 over x squared. Take note that this one is same thing as 1 square equals to what? 1. So plus 2 then times x times 1 over x. Now this will cancel out this, so we are left with x squared plus 1 over x squared now plus 2. Take note the whole of this is this, so equals 9. So we are left with the fact that x squared plus 1 over x squared now will give us, adding 2 to both sides, subtracting 2 to both sides, we now have that 9 minus 2 all equals to 7. So x raised to the power 2 plus 1 over x raised to the power 2 equals to 7. Now that we've gotten this, now let's come back to this. So implementing this, which for this, here we have that a minus b all raised to the power 2 will now give us x. Here for this we have x squared plus 1 over x squared. Recall that 1 raised to the power 2 is 1, so then minus 2 times x times 1 over x. Now this will now cancel out, so here we have that x squared plus 1 over x squared equal minus 2. Alright, so now let us record that this is this. So let us now replace this value for this. So our a minus b all raised to the power 2 will now be, replacing this for this, we have 7 minus 2 which equals to what? 5. Therefore x minus 1 over x all raised to the power 2 equals 5. Thank you and God bless you.